Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Outback door handle. First, gather your tools: a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Begin by carefully prying off any trim pieces that conceal screws, like those around the door handle or window switch. Next, remove all visible Phillips head screws from the door panel. There are usually 2 or 3 of these. Taking your time here prevents damage to the trim or the door panel itself. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the door panel. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame, releasing the plastic clips. Once the clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear the window channel. Now, you'll see the internal components. Disconnect all electrical connectors by pressing their small release tabs. Then, carefully detach the door handle and door lock cables from their mechanisms, often involving a small ball-end fitting. Now for the exterior handle itself. Look inside the door jamb for a Torx head screw, typically a T30. Loosen this screw completely. It usually remains captive within the door. Once loosened, you can slide the exterior handle assembly backward and then pull it away from the door. Be mindful of any remaining electrical wires, especially for keyless entry or lighting, and carefully disconnect them. This step requires a gentle touch to avoid scratching the paint. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and door handle cables. Ensure they are securely attached. Then, align the exterior door handle assembly and tighten the Torx head screw until snug. Next, position the door panel by hooking its top edge into the window channel, then firmly press around the edges to engage all the clips. Finally, reinstall all Phillips head screws and trim pieces. Always test the handle, window, and all electrical functions before closing the door completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.